Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS GeForce RTX 4070 series. So friend, ASUS has announced 4 new NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards: the ROG Strix GeForce RTX 4070, TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4070, ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070, and Dual White GeForce RTX 4070, and it includes all the advancements of the NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, including the new standards in gaming such as DLSS 3 neural rendering and real-time ray tracing technology starting at $599, and it runs most modern games at over 100 frames per second at 1440 resolution. And friend, the ROG Strix GeForce RTX 4070 offers the same incredible engineering as the RTX 4070 Ti, but at a more affordable price, and at 3.12 slot thick and 338.9 mm long. This card provides plenty of surface area on its MaxContact heatsink for airflow, while utilizing the new cyberpunk design and ultra-rigid structure of its larger sibling. And a 16-pin power connector ensures compatibility with the latest 12V PWR PSU standard, and an adapter is included to ensure compatibility with other power supply. And this card also features 3 new 11-blade Axial-tech fans that can push 31% more air volume and 56.3% more strict pressure than their processors on the ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3080. And friend, all must have Strix features. Hell, while gamers can choose between performance and white model with dual power switch, connect PC case fans to two FanConnect II headers, and light up a rig with a ring of ARGB tail lights compatible with Aura Sync. And friend, the TUF Gaming variant of this model complete with the same powerful GPU as the Strix version, with a slightly thicker heatsink and shorter card design, and a white vent on the high-strength aluminum backplate improves airflow compared to previous generation models. And friend, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series family of graphics card, ASUS has announced that the ASUS Dual cards are back in mix and now available in standard black color tone and a new white version. And these cards are the perfect match for more economical and small form factors build and redesigned with a new look for the 40 series, and evoke the space age with retro-futuristic style elements, including a semi-transparent view onto the heatsink at the top of the card. And for builders who have a more substance of style or do not need RGB. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.